Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on skin health and a facial mask that I recommend. A lot of people right now are using the coffee grounds, roasted coffee grounds on the face for a facial scrub and to help tighten the wrinkles and give you that healthy glow. And it does work. So recently I found something even better than the roasted coffee grounds. And it's the green coffee powder. Now you can buy this at the health food store, okay, or online, and it's basically just unroasted coffee beans. They're green. Or you can buy some coffee beans that are not roasted and grind them yourself, in which case you need a kind of a strong grinder. But you take the powder and you can mix it with water. Take a teaspoon of it, mix it with a teaspoon of water, and apply it to your face for about 15 minutes, and it'll dry and you can wash it off. But the amount of phytochemicals that you're going to put on your face from an unroasted coffee bean, okay, with the caffeine, is going to really give you that healthy glow. So it's not necessarily a scrub, it's just a facial application to actually kind of energize the skin. Or the other option, if your skin is extra dry, is instead of the water, add the olive oil with the green coffee powder. Mix to a 1-to-1 ratio and then apply it to the skin. Wait 20 minutes. It won't dry, but you can wipe it off and it will give your skin a real nice soft texture. All right, go ahead and try it. Hey guys, so I'm doing a survey of a future video and I wanted to find out what your biggest body problem is. So that way the content is aligning with something that you are personally interested in. So please click the link down below, fill it out, and I will create the video. Thanks.